Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is COBOL. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. This is we would like to acknowledge the website that we are taking the meaning of COBOL. TechTarget. So COBOL, or Common Business Oriented Language. This article was written by Vicky Lynn Bronskill and the editorial staff is Tria Lavery. So what is COBOL, or Common Business Oriented Language? COBOL, or Common Business Oriented Language, is a high-level programming language for business applications. It was the first popular language designed to be operating system agnostic and is still in use in many financial and business applications today. So right now, until now, the IRS or Internal Revenue System in the US are still using COBOL. Many banks here in the Philippines, especially big banks around the world, are also using COBOL in their applications. COBOL was designed for business computer programs in industries such as finance and human resources. Unlike some high-level computer programming languages, COBOL uses English words and phrases to make it easier for ordinary business users to understand. The language was based on Rear Admiral Grace Hooper's 1940s work on the Flowmatic programming language, which was also largely text-based. Hooper, who worked as a technical consultant on the Flowmatic project, is sometimes referred to as the grandmother of COBOL. Before COBOL, all operating systems had their own associated programming languages. This was a problem for companies that use multiple brands of computers, as was the case with the United States Department of Defense, which backed the COBOL project. Because of its ease of use and portability, COBOL quickly became one of the most used programming languages in the world. Although the language is widely viewed as outdated, more lines of code is active use today are written in COBOL than any other programming language. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is COBOL, or Common Business Oriented Language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Kindly click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.